It is officially travel day. Well, welcome to a new vlog. Don't mind the noise. Just finishing up packing and clearing up the house. No, like making it clean. He's not moving out. I'm still staying. No. He's not moving out. He's still staying. I am the one that's leaving to go back for school. But anyways, it is travel day. It is currently 10:06. My flight is at 1:30 p.m. We're gonna leave here if not like 10:30 or 11. Latest that we have to leave is 11:30. Get there. Oh, the airport is like an hour away from us, so yeah, we kind of have to leave a bit early-ish. And then make sure check-in is fine, my luggage is fine, everything is mucho. But yeah, so today starts day 1 of traveling to try and go back to school. I mean, this is my stuff for traveling. Just packing up the stuff in the car and then we'll be off. Boarding my flight now. We are in Cape Town. Yay. I've passed through baggage control. I'm not collecting any bags of mine. And I'm going straight, and then the guy says to take an elevator to 2nd floor, and I will try and find my collecting flight. I don't like walking in airports because it's usually like very, I wouldn't say big airport, but it's like a big enough airport, and then you have to walk and you have to make sure you get to your gate. So absolutely don't enjoy walking at the airport and trying to find my gate. And airports are like so cold inside. But guys, I got all of my tickets. I got my ticket for me to be able to stay at the hotel because I have a long layover. I'm so happy. I thought I would have had to like fight for this and do some weird things, but yeah. Anyways,
What the dog doing?
We made it through passport control, guys. Oh, I am so happy. I don't have any luggage to pick up. I am now in Dubai, so yeah, I'm gonna be here for like a day, not really a day, but like a day. So now I'm gonna go to the what's it called, Emirates desk, and then wait for transport to take me to a hotel. So that is the plan for now. I'll probably take a bath and then take a nap because it's currently, I think, 6 a.m. So quite tired. So yeah. Anyways, bye. I have to find 39, can you imagine? All this walking. Okay, so this is a room tour. I just got in through the door and then I'm gonna put my key in there and the whole room just kind of lights up. That's how you get electricity. So first when you come in is the bathroom. Wow, this is smaller than the last one I heard. The last time I was probably like on the 3rd floor. I wonder what happened now, but yeah. It's a smaller bathroom. And it has a shower, so hopefully the water's like super hot this time. Because last time I had a tub. But yeah. Then a full body mirror right over there. I don't know how I feel about this room because this was here. Okay, it doesn't matter. Space where I will put my bag. Some closet space as well. There we go, and a safe, you know. And some cute lights. I need to turn off the air conditioning plugs. And then 2 beds, of course. All the rooms come with 2 beds. Honestly, this room is so much smaller than the one I had last time. I wonder why. But either way, I'm a single person, so it doesn't matter. And then another mirror. Anyways, this is the room. I'm only one person, so this will do, okay? So get changed or something. And I have breakfast is served up until 10 and it's 6 right now, so I don't know, probably have breakfast now and then come back and sleep. But yeah. Just have breakfast. I'm going to take a nap for a couple of hours, catch up on some sleep, and then I'll get a phone call when it's time for checkout. I need a nap. I'll probably shower a bit later, but let's go sleep, guys. Oh my word. Titi. Yes, I was watching this. I am now going to leave the hotel. This is my outfit, still the same thing, honestly. And I'm going to the airport. Oh my word, I really need a lot more sleep. I'm definitely gonna sleep on Wednesday when I get to school. But yeah, so let's go together. I have a hoodie. I have a scarf. I'm wearing my really headphones are hot, so I'm just like, I'm just not there. Yeah. Anyways, I'm going to.
What the dog doing?
Anyways, here are my bags. It is Wednesday morning. I am still in my hotel, of course, but I leave today in a couple of minutes and I'm going to head over to school. I am so exhausted. I need sleep, but I also need my sleep schedule to be proper, so yeah. Anyways, bye, I guess. Oh, that's me in the mirror. Bye. Going to get my order downstairs. Can't wait to see it and do a little unboxing for y'all.